and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video is going to be a Foodmaxx haul. I got everything that you see here for under $100. I think it was about $90. So I'm going to show you what we got. Okay, so the first thing that I grabbed were a couple of these packs of a butterscotch pudding. These are sugar-free and they're the instant ones, and I actually just use it for my protein shakes, and they make really delicious shakes. If you've ever tried it, you know what I'm talking about, but this is my favorite flavor and it makes it taste like a Butterfinger. Next, I just grabbed 3 packs of these chocolate puddings. So I got regular chocolate, dark chocolate, and then the vanilla chocolate swirl. And I don't know, it just sounded good for the weekend. And I also grabbed this original Greek yogurt. This is by Light and Fit, and it's strawberry cheesecake, and it is really, really yummy. I also got this cucumber ranch yogurt dressing by Bolthouse Farms. I haven't tried this one, but they're only 35 calories for a serving. And for my daughter, I grabbed this Uncrustables peanut butter and jelly, and it's the grape jelly. So this is new, I've never tried it before, and it's by Green Giant. It's a cauliflower pizza crust, and I wanted to try it out because I have eaten some pizza that was cauliflower, but I haven't made my own. So I wanted to try this, and I got the original one, and then I also got the Tuscan one. Next, for a little treat, I picked up these beef raviolis, and these were frozen, and I don't know, it just sounded good. I also got this supremely spicy hummus, and I haven't tried this one before, but I wanted to do something a little bit more spicy. Then I also grabbed these Happy Top pouches. My daughter loves these, especially in the summer when we're out, and I can just give them to her when she's at the park, and then she can go back outside and play. I also got this Coffee Mate. This is sugar-free Italian sweet cream, and it is our favorite one right now. And then of course I grabbed some bananas. And then I got some of these baby carrots, so I'm going to be using these with the hummus and the ranch. I also grabbed these celery sticks, and these are pre-cut, so I'm going to be using those with the hummus and the ranch as well. I also grabbed some green onions just to add some more flavor when I make turkey burgers. A 5-pound bag of recipe. And strawberries are so good right now, so I had to get one of those. And then I also picked up 2 of these Pirate's Booty, and we all like to eat these sometimes. And these were new, and let me tell you, these were so good. These are cinnamon sticks that are made with sweet potatoes, and we seriously finished the bag the same day. They were so good. I also grabbed these pineapple slices, so I like to grill these when I make turkey burgers, and they're so good, and they're already cut. And I also had to get some more quick oats. I also got more of these 100-calorie English muffins, and I did make a video earlier where I make pizza muffins out of these, so I'll leave that above if you want to go watch it. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be making some turkey burgers, so of course I had to pick up some ground turkey meat. And I also grabbed some turkey bacon. I also bought 4 of these gallons of water, and they're a little bit different, but I think the ones that are clear are a little bit cheaper. And that is it for our Foodmaxx haul. If you like these grocery hauls, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new, I hope that you stick around and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!